Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Nissan Frontier pickup truck. This comes in a silver exterior with a black interior. Around to the back here, got our Nissan SV 4x4 and Frontier badging. Plenty of storage space back here. This is also adjustable based on your cargo. Got driver door controls, manual driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel, got a turnkey ignition, mileage on this vehicle is 6,775. Got our radio here, as well as a backup camera, climate control, and shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.